Happy holidays everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great December. If you're anything like me, December has been nothing but a big ball of stress. Why? Because it's finals time. So hopefully I'll be getting through all of that within the next week, and I'll continue to make these videos because we are 2 months in, haven't missed a weekend. And if this is your first time checking out my videos, make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and that bell so you get all my notifications because I post every weekend. This week's video is about the fact that I am collabing with RUE21 again for the holiday, but also more so about what I decided to get from RUE21 and why. You all might not know this, but this is Bugs Bunny's and Looney Tunes 80th anniversary. So RUE21 as well as Converse just dropped the new Looney Tunes Bugs Bunny collections in both of their brands, and obviously I'm obsessed. If you've seen any of my pictures before, I'll be putting a couple up here. You'll see that I have worn a very vintage Looney Tune jacket. I was really excited about this collab, as well as the fact that Converse and RUE21 were both coming out with a anniversary collection. So let's take a look at what I got, and then I'm going to try them on for you all in kind of the outfits that I would like to wear them with. The first one is pretty simple. It has Bugs Bunny on it, which I think is pretty cool, like that usual Bugs Bunny laying down, and it says "That's all folks." I like this because it's a white t-shirt, but yet you still get a really big design on it. Simple but still pretty unique. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my favorite thing that I got from RUE21 this time around, and when you see the shoes that I got to go with these, you'll understand why I like this so much. So this one is that really bright red with all of the Looney Tunes on there saying, you know, the sayings, "That's all folks" from Bugs Bunny, but it has the Road Runner, Pepe Le Pew, like everyone. It's all of them are on here. Sylvester. I really like this because I am a huge Looney Tune fan. I am a huge Bugs Bunny fan, and I love this. And I had a hoodie about 2 years ago that was white, and it just did not survive my messy lifestyle. I went with the black Looney Tune hoodie because I like this. It reminds me a lot of my jacket. It has all of the characters on the sleeves, and it also has it in the front, whereas my jacket also has like all the characters on both sleeves as well as some characters on the back. Now with these, I had to also, you know, pretty much make these an outfit. So I was also able to get 2 pairs of jeans. I have never owned like a gray pair of jeans like this, but I love the purple ones that I got. So the black, they had the purple strip in it, so I decided to get the gray versions. Now these are their ripped skinny jeans. I love these because these are their like super flex jeans. I am obsessed with their flex jeans. They fit so perfectly, but it has the rips in it, the colors on the side to match anything that I'm going to put with it, especially that red and black. I'm really digging that gray. The rips aren't too big, and I like that these are a zip. So these have those zip bottoms, which I think is pretty cool. There's a couple of my favorite jeans that also have that I like it because it kind of makes them tighter on the end. But if I wanted to rock some boots with it, I could also make sure I get it over them before I zip them, which would be really nice, especially with the fact that I wear a lot of Chelsea boots now. It's something that I've been missing from my wardrobe for quite a long time, a good pair of black denim jeans. Now, I haven't had a pair of just like ripped ones in so long, and the only ones that I do have come from PacSun. I've had those for years, and they're like jogger type, so I was really excited to get some true jeans that actually fit me properly, that actually look good, and again, they're that flex. I can never get over the flex jeans. The next thing I want to talk about are my Bugs Bunny limited edition Converse. I'm gonna tell you, it was so hard to get these shoes. They had them in black, I wanted the black pair because they go perfectly with my jacket. Couldn't get them. Wanted the red pair. Literally ordered them, they got canceled. So I got the gray pair. Ordered the gray ones, found out I could get the red ones, end up getting the red ones too. Got them both and realized I wanted them both. So now I have them both and I'm so excited to show you them, and you all will not believe how good they look with the RUE21 outfit that I have planned for them. So they come in these really awesome anniversary boxes, which I think are really cool. So just like represent Bugs Bunny. Now, these are the red ones. On the red ones, as you can see, it has Bugs Bunny on this side, has the Converse emblem on this side. On the inside of it, it actually has Bugs Bunny. Nice. And then it has the fact that it's the 80th anniversary. And of course, it's saying, "What's up, Doc?" I love these shoes. The black ones were pretty much the exact same way, except they were black and it had a different picture of Bugs Bunny on them. These I do plan on rocking with the red hoodie, obviously, and maybe the black hoodie will probably be the same thing. Probably the red ones would be the best choice for them, but I like these. Now, the next one though, these, well, out of the three, these are the more expensive ones because of how they look and what they're made out of. These blew me away. They're fur. Look at this. Like, that's where the design goes into this. There isn't a lot going on these shoes besides the fact that they're furry. But look at this. It gives you a little Bugs Bunny. And it gives you the Converse. And it's the same thing. So, except for the 80 years on there, it has the white fur to be like his belly. And it gives you the inside again to be the Bugs Bunny. So it's the same thing. And then what I do love about these two, it's like a paw. It's literally like his paw. I think these are the dopest shoes I could have gotten out of all of the collection. Like, the black ones are the ones that you can wear the most, and then obviously the red ones. But when you do wear these are going to be a game changer. I am obsessed. This is like the second time I've taken them out of the box, and now that I'm just like looking at them and holding on to them, just like, dang, these are dope. So I have a couple ideas of how I'm about to put this together, so let's take a look and see how I decide to put it together. Alright guys, so this is outfit number one. I think this is probably my favorite outfit. The hoodie fits really well. I dig them with the shoes a lot. This is so dope. This red just matches so perfectly. The jeans fit great. And they came with these shoestring belts. I don't know if y'all have ever tried these, but like once you knot it, it actually is a pretty good belt. Most of the time people don't tend to use them. You get to see a lot of stores like American Eagle, RUE21, PacSun tend to be the ones who are really big into giving you the shoestring as a belt. I'm gonna try it, but at the same time, I'll probably still take a belt just in case. But I like this. I like this a lot. The hoodie's a medium. I usually get like a medium or small. The cartoon characters isn't like overwhelming. And then I want to try it with my jacket. So like I said, this jacket actually came from my mom. She got it when she was younger than me, like back in the 90s. And I wanted it and I loved it. And I think for my 21st or my 18th, one or the other, she gave it to me and I've loved it ever since. I think the gray really made a huge difference to the regular just black jeans. So I'm really excited about how that turned out. But let's look at our next outfit. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 2. It's real simple, but I like this a lot because I'm rocking the fur shoes with it. Now, like I said, the fur shoes don't really have a lot going in detail besides the fact that they're gray and fur is supposed to be like Bugs Bunny, like his feet. So I thought the shirt would be the perfect thing because if you look, you have the full Bugs Bunny. And this is kind of the only one that has him like this. So I thought, why not put these shoes that's supposed to be his feet with his shirt? Now, the jeans fit really well. Like, I don't know why I've been obsessed with like the perfect jean, but I seriously have loved all the ones that I've gotten recently. So definitely 10 out of 10 on this one. Alright, so let's check out the third and final outfit. Alright guys, so we are at the final outfit. The simplest but the coolest as well, because I was able to kind of mix both outfits and create this one. I like this one a lot because unlike the red one, it really wasn't like loud and it really wasn't like popping. It's a very like more mellow look. It allows the shoes to be a big focal point, which I really like. I think that this is a good use of like multicolors by choosing to wear the gray ones, because I was going to do the black ones but I decided not to, so that I can get more colors to pop out of this one. So like I said, I like this one a lot because my jacket does the same thing with the characters. I think that this is a good without a jacket look. Like with this one, I probably wouldn't wear the jacket because one, it's a lot of black, and in the red outfit, the jacket was calming down the look. Whereas that will be overbearing, just layering something over that's already perfect by itself. This does exactly what I wanted it to do without the jacket. So I think this is a good look as well. I think this is the perfect part of it all. Just having these to go with the shoes was the best thing I could have done and the best decision that I made when it comes to choosing my pants for all three outfits. Yeah, but that's it guys. I am so excited about the fact that this is the 80th anniversary. If you're anything like me, then you love cartoons. I'm a huge kid, so I still watch all my Boomerangs and things like that. So this was a huge moment for me and I was excited to do it. Let me know if you all like these outfits. Did you know that it was the anniversary of Bugs Bunny and a Looney Tunes family? Are you excited? Like, what do you like? What would you have changed? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you go check out some of my previous videos. I've been doing a lot and I have not missed a week, so if you need to catch up, go ahead, because I will be back next weekend to show you all what's happening in my closet. So for now, as always guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you soon.